Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Oh, what a machine. Looks like chalk interior, red seat belts. Let's see here. There has to be a way to adjust these. Aha! There we go. We're in Sport Plus. Let's go for a drive. So, Turbo S versus Turbo. The only big change is in launch control for Power Edition. But with it being as wet as it is, yeah. Either way, you don't need more power than what it has. And what it has is a metric ton of power. I did turn on electric sport sound because why not? Porsche carbon ceramic brakes, PCCB standard on the Turbo S. Okay. Yep. That's just stupid. Almost. Alright, so this thing's so fast I just spaced out on my loop and almost went home. Yep, that's whoa, PCCB. You're a good brake. Come on, go ahead. You have power, go ahead. Come on, little Corolla. There you go. Dynamically, I mean, obviously I'm not pushing the car. It's wet out. I probably shouldn't even have done that launch control. But it puts into perspective how stupid this thing really is. But handling wise, it's good. It's really good. It's one of those cars that is just so good that I'm not thinking that it's electric. Obviously, the electric side of things is what's making it so good. Obviously, in terms of power and all that. But unlike Tesla, which is like, hey, we have a Plaid that's stupid fast in a straight line. Okay, great. Let's take it to a back road. Let's take it to a track. Let's see what happens. Everybody here knows what happens when you take a Tesla to a track. The only one that's almost sort of meant for a track is the Model 3 Performance, and even that has its issues. This, you can track all day long, has carbon ceramic brakes, and I don't feel like the power overwhelms the chassis like I do in Teslas. I feel comfortable in this car. It is terrifying. I will say that. It is absolutely terrifying. But it's terrifying in a way that's just unlike anything else. We'll say the passenger side display is sweet. Put it into normal mode. So this is just casual cruising. That's funny. As you change drive modes, the range changes. And the thing about this is, it's quiet enough where I'm not disturbing anybody. I'm not peeling down the road. Well, you are. But I'm not sitting there with loud noises and disturbing everyone. You can have your fun and be completely silent about it. Except for Sport Sound, which is a good addition. But thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.